Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I get my gel X to look super flush and natural and how I get them to last super long. So jumping right into it, you want to make sure that your gel X tips match from sidewall to sidewall like you see here. Any part of it not sitting super flush on your nail could cause lifting. After you've sized all your tips, you want to take a sanding band like this one or a regular one, and you want to file the sides on the inside of the gel X tip, where the part that goes to the cuticle area and the sidewalls as well, just to make sure that they're super flush whenever I do put them on with the builder. I also etch the full inside of where it's going to cover the surface of my entire nail. So you'll see me here measuring it, and there's still a little bit of my nail exposed. So I like to fully file up to where it won't be exposed anymore, just so I can get the most adhesion. Now that that's good, I like to file the outside of the tip on the sidewalls and on that cuticle part as well, just so we can get it as flush to the natural nail as possible. That is the key with gel X. Now I'm dehydrating my nail, so if you've prepped your nails properly, you can see how it dries out immediately, like you'll see it happening here. This will ensure there's no moisture on the nail and that it'll secure the nail as much as possible. Then I'm taking my primer and I'm doing it very lightly. Make sure not to get any on your skin or on the cuticle area, because this can cause lifting as well. Making sure to put a thin layer, and then I do a second layer once that one is dry in the same way, and let it dry again. Get your builder gel ready, because this is the part where we're going to make sure to really stick them to the nail. So you'll see me pushing it back and forth, all this builder into the nail. You don't want to just put a layer on top. You want to kind of push it into the edges that we've made on the natural nail plate so that it really holds on. So you'll see me doing this here. Again, don't touch your skin or your cuticle area. This can cause lifting and worst case allergies. And then you'll see me also pushing it into the tip as well, the same kind of way, to really make sure it gets really into those edges up to where we etched the tip. So you want to make sure it's fully coated. And then I want to take a little blob of the gel and put it right on the edge of that nail tip like a pool. Then you want to take the tip where the gel is pooled and you want to press it into the nail plate and slowly keep pressing the cuticle part, but slowly press the edge of the tip down while maintaining pressure on the bottom part. And I don't put mine right into the cuticle area. I pull mine down a little bit when I'm applying pressure so it can create a seal, and you'll see it here how it's already pretty flush and I haven't even filed anything. So that's what I like to do. Now that it's fully cured, you want to take your sanding band again and blend that tip with your natural nail. It was pretty much blended already, but you want to make sure that it's like super flush. So I'm taking my sanding band and I am blending the line between the two and just prepping my tip for nail art. So now that it's all filed, this is what it's looking like, and I'm going to just clean it off with some acetone here. I find the acetone really helps it blend in that much more. And I'm going to show you a little side view now so you can see how it's extremely flush. You know, it's pretty good. There's a little bit of a blurb there, but that's just because there is a tip on top, but it pretty much blends seamlessly into the nail. Now for extra sturdy gel X tips, I like to use this 2-in-1 formula rubber gel, rubber top coat gel. This is really nice for an extra sturdiness to the nail. So I like to apply this on like this. I apply a thin slip layer on the top of the entire surface of the nail. And then I like to take a big blob of it, which you'll see me doing, and I like to place it in the cuticle area and slide it down the nail with kind of wispy motions or side to side motions and slight dragging down. You don't want too much, but this will help strengthen up that little area that we left the space. And you can skip this step totally if you wanted to and go straight into gel art, but this is something that I do to make my gel X tips feel a little more acrylic-y or a little more sturdy. And my favorite part about this rubber base is that it's a rubber top coat actually. So once you cure it, it's completely dried. There's no inhibition layer, no layer to wipe. It's just top coated and finished. So I like to also go in with a little file on the sides and things just to kind of blend everything in if something pulled over in the lamp or what have you. So I like to blend those sides in so they're a little more seamless. But other than that, it's pretty much done. And this is how I do my gel X tips on myself and on clients if they want an extra sturdy nail. And I'm going to show you the nails that I had with a rubber base, and it's 3 weeks and still going. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.